Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I am coming to you from my beautiful, beautiful island, Jamaica. And today, my people, who don't know what I'm going to do today? I teach my son how to cook curry chicken. I wash belly, how to cook curry chicken. So, these are the parts of the chicken that he loves, especially the thigh. I think I make a mistake, especially the wing? Yes, wings, right? So he loved the wings. And my people, I can't put the camera on him. You know why? If you ever see the little boy face, him now want to learn how to cook curry chicken. A matter of fact, him now want to learn how to cook nothing at all. Right? And I am saying to him, you have to learn how to cook certain things. Right? You have to know how to do something. So first off, we're going to start by, what we're going to do with the meat now, Jay? I don't know. So come, let me show you. So if the meat in here, so just tell me now. You know, but hold this. We're going to clean up the chicken. Alright, so you can either use lime, lemon, or vinegar. So I'm using some vinegar right here to clean up my chicken. So I ask you the next step that you're going to do. You tell me you don't know. So you see the next step, you're going to remove these things from the chicken. Always remove them. They are not edible. I don't know, some people probably eat it. I don't really know about. Honestly, me just take them away from the chicken. Next thing again, you want to remove the skin. This is optional. You don't have to remove the skin. But based off I am doing it, I remove the skin. And this is the chicken bottom. This is the bottom part that your father love. I always remove it as well. I don't cook it. I do it sometimes for him, sometimes I leave like a 2 for him, sometimes I don't. These are the things that is on the chicken. You need to clean. That's why you need to clean up your chicken and skin your chicken. As I say, as it relates to the skin, you don't have to remove the skin, because I know you love chicken skin, just like your daddy. But I always remove them depending on the dish that I am doing. If I am doing a dish that, like if I'm going to jerk chicken, I won't remove the skin. If I'm going to fry the chicken, I won't remove the skin as well. So it's optional in removing the skin, right? All right, now, so when you finish cleaning up your chicken, you see I wash it probably 2-3 times. I wash it. So this is the last wash that I'm giving it. So I'm going to just rest them there in the sink. Right, so this is the last wash. We're going to pour that away. And we're going to just add back our meat to our container. All right, and we have our chalkboard over here. So guys, this is a short, what I would say, tutorial teaching, showing my son how to cook curry chicken, because that's one of his favorite meat. Alrighty, so we're gonna chop. And if you don't want to chop up your chicken, but I mean, chicken we chop up still, but if you don't want to chop it up, I mean, it left up to you. Suppose you want to curry it like that, curry the legs them whole up, because I curry the legs them whole up before, and I also brown stew the legs them whole up before. So as I say, it is up to you when it comes to that part. You can cut them up small, really small, and you can cut them up big. That part is really, really up to you. The main thing you need to know and need to do is to clean up your chicken properly. And then you go ahead and you wash it. And I always use lime, lemon, anything I have to wash it, that's what I use to wash it. I don't know if I can say if that part is optional using those things, because that's how I grew up. See my mother do it, so I just follow it because I noticed the chicken is raw. And I just grew up using that, so I use it. So probably you don't want to use a lime, lemon, or vinegar. It's up to you. But you need to clean up your chicken, alrighty? So now that our chicken is clean up and chop up, guys, I asked my son to get me some season from the fridge. some earth season. So let's see if he knows the earth season. I need some earth season to put on the chicken. You can give me onion. You don't have to give me scallion because you don't like scallion and the chicken is really for you. I don't want any chicken. So give me the seasoning, the earth seasoning that you can tolerate, that you eat. I know onion, pepper. What else you see in there that you eat? Earth season that you want. You want carrot on it, you want Irish. You can get me one of those as well.
I don't see the Irish.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go and help him to. Do you know onion?
Yeah, you do.
Okay, you have onion. Okay, alright, so let me help him gather these earth season and come right back. So that's the carrot pan and pepper. You see the pepper container, or you have a pepper already? Alright, so guys, I'm going to help him gather the season. Alright, so alright guys, so what we are going to do now, we are going to just season up our chicken. So we're going to remove them from the board, put them back in our pan. We could have used a smaller one, but based on using this already, we just continue. Alrighty. So alright, so curry chicken is what he loves, so we are doing curry chicken. Alright, so let me just toss some season on this. So we are using a little black pepper. Use season of your choice. That's the next thing again too. You can use any season you want as long as you have the curry powder on it. As long as you are using the curry powder, you can burn it or you can just throw it on the meat. And knowing my son, I'm lazy, so I'm not going to go in and now say I burn no curry. I'm going to put the curry on the chicken. So we're going to do exactly that. So we dash some curry on the chicken. Yeah? Alright. And as I said, use your favorite seasoning. We are using some chicken season as well. So we are adding some chicken season to the chicken. And then we are going to just massage that right in the chicken, right? And you can put on a gloves to ensure that your finger don't get discolored. Your fingernail does not get discolored with the curry. Or you use a fork to mix up everything. So this is it. Alrighty. Okay, so my son took out these vegetables. See, both earth season and vegetable. I don't know the drill. This is what he wants on his curry chicken. This is what he eat on his curry chicken. So, as I say, guys, put what you prefer on the curry chicken. Just make sure you dash on the curry. Find him curry chicken, right? Alright, so he also wanted Irish on it. Because he love when the Irish cook up in the meat, no so?
Yeah.
So when you cook it now, what you are going to do? You are going to scrape the carrot or you are going to peel the carrot? Which one?
Scrape.
Scrape it, right? Okay, so guys, you can go ahead. You can peel the carrot or you can scrape your carrot, alright? But we prefer to scrape ours and we scrape it. So I am peeling the Irish now. So you're taking note on how I peel the Irish. Then guys, my son said to me that he's going to try it and see how well he do. So I guess he's going to try it probably tomorrow or sooner than I think he's going to try. So look out for that video of my son doing his own curry chicken without mommy have to say nothing to him. Alright, so we did wash the Irish before we peel it. We're gonna wash them again. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I finished wash the season them and all of that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and cut them up. So this is garlic. We put in some garlic and some garlic cloves. Then we're adding onions. my son loves spicy food, so we are using a Scotch black pepper, and we are putting all of that on it because he's a spicy food lover. Right, JJ?
Yes, I mean.
All right, so we have an Irish here. Don't watch how I cut my Irish. You can cut yours the same, or you can cut it to your preference. Whoa, what is wrong with this Irish? I need to take that out. All right, so if you're cutting up your Irish and you buck up on anything like this, you just use your knife to remove. You don't throw away all the Irish. The Irish is good. You just remove that from the middle. I mean, any part of the Irish that it is on, you just use a knife to remove it, right? Do you want any time in it, Jay? You want any time?
No.
Okay, so we won't be using any time because you don't want any time. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna. This is the carrot. Alright, and we're gonna go right over to the meat now, and we're gonna dash all of this season on the meat, right? You can put it on it and you can not. You can put it on it if you want, and you can. So as I say, you can put all of these seasons on your meat, or you can just put this aside, and when you finish brown up your curry chicken, you add it to it. We're not gonna put the Irish or the carrot on it. We just put the pepper, onion, and the garlic cloves, right? And we're going to give that a good mix as well, just to combine everything together. And you don't have to put all of this on it. You can use it, put it aside and use it after you finish. There's many ways to do your curry chicken, guys. Just feel comfortable to do it. It's not nothing hard to do. And my son's face is so serious because he's like, Mommy, I don't want to do no curry chicken, you know. I don't want to look for him, I don't want to show me how to do no curry chicken. My son tell me saying he can Google. Yes, he can Google, and I'm saying, when you know how to do it, it's best you know how to do it than Google, right? So we're going over to the stove right now. We're gonna set on oil. All right, so that is our pot, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drizzle a little oil in the pot, right? I don't cook with a whole lot of oil, and I try to teach him to use a little bit of oil, so just to baste the pot. That's what we are using the oil to do. If we were to burn the curry, we would have used a little bit more oil than that. But because we are not burning the curry, we just need to just baste the pot with the oil. All right, so we are waiting on that to hot. As soon as that hot, we're gonna dash in with meat them. All right, guys, so as soon as the pot is hot, so this is our chicken. So what we're going to do, we're going to shake off the season. Yeah. Normally my mother use one hand hold it and shake it off and add it to the pot. So I'm not going to put the seasoning in the pot. So that's why you're chicken in it. That's why I said to you guys, you can wait till after your chicken. You put your chicken in the pot, and you know, it looks how you want it to look, then you dash on your seasoning there. So you have more than one way to do curry chicken, alright? So we are adding the chicken to the pot. And after we finish add the chicken to the pot, we just have to cover and allow that seasoning to marinate even more in our chicken. We're not going to put any water. I would have going to never let it. We're not going to put any water on it. We're going to cover that and it is going to spring its own water. You see that, guys? So knowing my son now, maybe he not even want to put the season and the chicken because he might probably think that I too much work. He must take it off with the pan here now. All of the season. Probably might think that too much work to shake it off. So boom, cover that and allow that to go and cook. Remember, we didn't put any water on this, right? We're just going to give that a good stir. And as soon as this gets color, we're just going to dash on the seasoning. Alright, so the next time you come open the pot and look back on this, you know we're going to season in a dish, alright? So we cover back this. So we're checking in back. Here's the curry chicken. Alright, we're bashing the season on this right about now. The next meal we're going to do, we're going to put a little water in our pan, you know, and pour all of this goodness in. Remember your season in your pan, so you know, so you season in your pan, so you just wash it out with a little water. Yeah? You want to just shake that around. Make sure you get out all of the goodness there. You just pass that all over on your meat. And you're not going to pull up the pot of water, guys. You just need a little bit of water to add to your chicken. And then now, just cover back this and allow to cook. Now check, just to check to see what is happening here. Take this bad boy curry chicken. So I hit that mellow and jello. Alright, and you don't want to cook your chicken till it mash up enough, guys. So take note. I'm going to dash in the Irish, you know. I'm going to put in the carrot last. Well, I like when the carrot crunchy, I don't know. That's why you want the carrot, Jay? Or you want me to put them in now with the Irish?
Can put them in now.
Oh, you like when it's soft?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, so we're adding our Irish and our carrot. And we are giving that a good mix. Combine up everything, and what we are going to do now, we're going to dash on a little more water. Right, so add your water little, don't add it one time. You don't want the pot to full of water. You want all of that goodness and niceness, season that is on the chicken, soak up the Irish, soak it up. You don't want the Irish plain. You want to taste all of that seasoning in it, right? So we're not dashing on a lot of water. Just add your water little to the pot. Please. Alright guys, so we are checking in with the curry chicken. Looking good. Alright now guys, so what we're going to do now. Alright, we mix up a little flour here. This is going to act as our thickening agents. If you want to have your gravy, get it a little thick, you use a little flour or some corn starch or the same Irish that we have in the pot there. That can become our thickening agents as well. Yes, we didn't have to put that on it, but based off I am teaching my son how to do it. Alright, I just want to show him everything one time. But I already go ahead and tell him that the Irish can act as his thickening agents. So this is it now. This is just going to simmer a little. And away that. And remember to taste your pot, you know. Taste your pot. I seldomly taste my pot when I am cooking. I just go ahead and cook. But remember to taste your pot, alright? So I'm going to dash a little of that in my hand. And taste. This tastes good. but it looked like it want a little strip of salt. As you know, when we are seasoning it, we never put enough salt. We know we're going to taste it in the end and see if it want more. So we just in a little more salt. That's the only thing it took shorter. And you don't want to use too much salt. And if alright, so we're going to just give that a good mix here now and cover it. And my son love olive gravy, no people. That's why you see me. No, so Jay?
Yeah.
One olive gravy. So you can ram with him and gravy. So that's why you see I pour in that water on it. And in no time now, this is just going to simmer for a minute or two. And we just remove it from the fire. Alright now guys, so this is finished. This is it. And remember to check your pot from time to time. You check and you give it a good stir. You don't want anything to burn. So that is the curry chicken. So look out for my son's video cooking his curry chicken on his own. Because guys, you know what I did this morning? I did some ackee and saltfish. And his father and I both dive into it, eat it and enjoy it. This a boy you know eat ackee and saltfish. So me I look and I say, no man. You know you need to know how to cook the curry chicken though. So I come and call him out in the kitchen. So I'm curry chicken this people. This is his curry chicken. That is it.